Myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in the Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate First Year Maths B. We have started our discussion with DCs and DRs, that is direction cosines and direction ratios. We discussed few problems on DCs which are related by using LMN, and we also found out the angle between the two lines, right? Today let us do one more problem of same kind. He is asking us to find the angle between the lines whose DCs are given by these two equations. Okay, that is, we have to find the values of LMN, isn't it? That is the first step in most of the questions, right? That is, let us take this as 1, let us take this as 2. From equation 1, if 3L is equal to minus m minus 5n, L is equal to something divided by 3. Better than that, let us take m from 1. M is equal to minus 3L minus 5n in 2. Substitute m in second equation. Okay, that is 6 minus 3L minus 5n into n minus 2n L plus 5L into m is minus 3L minus 5n is equal to 0. Isn't it? Yes or no? Now let us multiply. Minus 18 ln minus 30 n square minus 2 nl, here minus 15 l square minus 25 ln. Is it right? Now let us write everything in an order. Minus 30 n square, if it is ln, minus 18 minus 2, that is minus 20. Minus 20 minus 25 is minus 45 ln, here minus 15 l square. Can I take minus 15 common? 2n square plus 3 ln plus 15 l square. Isn't it? Once again check here. 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 into 1 is 15. Now let us write this. 2n square plus 3ln plus l square equal to 0. Can we factorize it? We can write 2 1s are 2. अब देखो इधर 2n square plus 2ln plus ln plus l square is equal to 0. If I take 2n common here, I will get it as n plus l. Here if I take L as common, I will get it as n plus L, that is equal to 0. Therefore, after taking n plus L as common, I will get it as 2n plus L is equal to 0. Therefore, I get as n is equal to minus L or n is equal to minus L by 2. Isn't it? What is the next step we have to do? We have to find the value of m. M is, we can do it anyway, either take L is equal to minus n or L is equal to minus 2n. Most of the time we took like that only. So let us take L is equal to minus n, L is equal to minus 2n. Let us substitute that here. I will get the value of m as minus 3 into minus n minus 5n, right? That is plus 3n minus 5n. That is m is equal to minus 2n. Isn't it? The similar thing here also. M is equal to minus 3 into minus 2n minus 5n. Isn't it? Minus 3 into minus 2n minus 5n. This will be 6n minus 5n. That is m is nothing but n. Clear? The next step will be, we have to write the value of L is to m is to n. For the first case, what is L is to m is to n? L is minus n, m is minus 2n, n is n. For the second case, L is minus 2n, m is n, n is again n. Isn't it? Let us cancel them. Here n will get cancelled. I will get it as L is to m is to n as minus 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. That is nothing but 1 is to 2 is to minus 1. Here n will get cancelled, therefore L is to m is to n will become minus 2 is to 1 is to 1. Isn't it? Now tell me what are LMN now? LMN are 1 to minus 1. Here minus 2, 1, 1. The next step what we have to do, we have to find the DCs. Therefore, DCs are, what are they? 1 by root 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is root 6, 2 by root 6 minus 1 by root 6. Here DCs are minus 2 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 root 6, 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6. Isn't it? Since we have did most of the problems based on this, I am skipping few of the steps. Okay, fine. Then what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. That is equal to L1 is 1 by root 6, L2 is minus 2 by root 6, M1 is 2 by root 6, M2 is 1 by root 6, N1 is minus 1 by root 6, N2 is 1 by root 6. Now tell me, here it is minus 2 by 6, here it is plus 2 by 6, there it is minus 1 by 6. These both will get cancelled, therefore this is minus 1 by 6, that is nothing but 1 by 6. From this we get theta as cos inverse 1 by 6. Is it right? Did you understand? The only thing you have to remember is how to solve the values of m, l and n. There is a common step for most of the questions, right? Isn't it? Fine. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. There is a question which is slightly different from the previous questions. Now check here. F array makes angles alpha, beta, gamma and this is delta with 4 diagonals of a cube, right? If this is my cube, where will be my diagonals? My diagonals will be of here OP, right? Then AR, then again CQ, and the one more diagonal will be from B to S. Isn't it? How many diagonals will it have? It will have totally of 4 diagonals. Isn't it? Then let me assume a new ray which is having the direction cosines as LMN. Let us do that. Consider a ray with DCs LMN, so that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Isn't it? That is a rule. Yes or no? Then now check here. He is asking us to find the angle between this ray and the 4 diagonals. What are the diagonals here? Here diagonals of cube are, what are the diagonals? Once check and tell me. OP, then AR, the next CQ and the next BS. Isn't it? Then what are the points of O? O is nothing but, let us assume it to be origin. Before that, let us assume the side of a cube be A. Let side of cube be A. Now can we write the coordinates of each and every point? Isn't it? Now let us write it here. Origin is 0, 0, 0. A is on x axis, therefore we will have x coordinate, right? What about B? B is on y axis, it will have only y coordinate, right? Then what about C? C will have only z coordinate, right? Then what about P? P is in both x, y, z coordinates, that will be A. Now can we find this OP, AR, CQ and BS? Can we? Yes, right? Now see here, what is OP? OP is, O is 0, 0, 0, P is AAA, therefore that is AAA. Okay, from that we have to find the angle between this OP and the ray. OP has the DCs as AAA, right? Then ray has the DCs as LMN. Then the cos alpha is nothing but L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 by under root of L1 square plus M2 square, that formula, right? Let us substitute it. This will become AL plus AM plus AN divided by under root of L square plus M square plus N square under root of A square plus A square plus A square. Okay, that is, if I take A as common, that will become L plus M plus N divided by, here it is 1, here it is root 3a, a will get cancelled, I will get it as L plus M plus N by root 3, isn't it, right? Now let us find it for next. This is cos alpha, I got it 1, and the second thing I have to do it for cos beta. Cos alpha is with OP, then the second one will be the second one, that is CQ. This is the second diagonal, let us take CQ from y axis. Okay, did you understand? From y, let us take it the second one, that is CQ is equal to, that is a minus 0 is a, again a minus 0 is a, again 0 minus a is minus a, is it right? Then similarly I will get it as cos beta as AL plus AM minus AN divided by, everything will be same, right? Let me write, similarly cos beta is equal to L plus M minus N by root 3, is it fine? And the next, similarly the next will be, let us take AR, AR will be R minus A, that is 0 minus A is minus A minus 0 is A minus 0 is A, that is equal to cos gamma equal to minus L plus M plus N divided by root 3, is it okay? And the next finally, similarly one more thing is BS, where is B? BS, A minus 0 is 0, 0 minus A is minus A minus 0 is A, that is A minus A, that is cos delta is equal to L minus M plus N by root 3, is it right? Yes or no? Now let us square everything. What do we get now? He is asking us to find the value of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. What do this equal to? This square plus this square plus this square plus this square, isn't it? Now check how it will be. L plus M plus N whole square divided by 3. I have squared it directly, okay? And then the denominator L plus M minus N whole square divided by 3 plus L plus here minus L plus M plus N divided by 3 whole square plus L minus M plus N whole square divided by 3. Okay, if I take the whole thing, I will get the LCM as 3, right? And here what do we get? 2LM, 2MN, everything will get in the different forms, right? After simplifying everything, all the double terms will be get cancelled. Only the square terms will be left. That is, how many L squares do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 L squares and 4 M squares plus N squares. Isn't it? What is the value of L square plus M square plus N square? That is nothing but 1. Therefore, my answer is 4 by 3. Is it clear? Did you understand? This is one of the most important questions for 7 marks. Once again, try to remember the diagram in a formal way. That is, here the points A, B, C are A comma 0 comma 0, here 0 0 and here 0 A 0. Isn't it? Fine. Now look here, what will be the point on x axis? A 0 0, on y axis 0 A 0, on z axis 0 0 A, right? These are the different vertices, that is P, Q, R, S and all other points we will write it. Then the next, we will assume array with the DC's element, therefore the condition will be L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. And we will check out the different diagonals OP, AR, CQ and BS. These are the 4 different diagonals, for which we have used the formula of cos theta. We have substituted, we could get the values of cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma and cos delta. We will directly square and add everything and directly get the value as 4 by 3. Clear? Fine. And there will be one more this kind of question. if we ask you directly to find the angles between the diagonals, then you can directly take AAA as here, that will be A plus A divided by root 3A, right? Okay, and here also will be root 3A, root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and you will get the value of theta as cos inverse 1 by 3. This is the angle between two diagonals of a cube. Clear? Fine. These are the different concepts of direction cosines and direction ratios. Okay. What all we studied? We have discussed with the basic need and the definitions of DCs and DRs. Then we solved a few small problems. Then we directly jumped into the long answer questions where we found out the DCs. And of the next exercise, we could find the angles between the two lines which are related with the DCs with an equations. Right? We solved 4 to 5 problems of that kind. Right? And we solved one problem when equations of DCs are given and the two equations are perpendicular. Then we solved this problem, right? Fine. By this, we have ended the chapter DCs and DRs. Clear? Let us meet in the next session with a new chapter of 1B. Thank you.